Good day everyone, welcome to another video from the Philippines. I want to share with you one of the local places to eat and relax in my hometown. Is the Nature's Village Resort. It's one of my absolute favorite places to visit whenever I'm here. I love the traditional furnishings and a few Philippine cloth or textiles I've seen showcased in the restaurant area. I keep coming back not just for the food, but I can also take my elderly mom in her wheelchair because it's very close to where we live. And of course, I love the plants and flowers in the grounds. Let me show you around. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and you'll see more plant and flower related content. Leave a comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you again in my next video.